They're always watching, not with eyes, but with code. Not with malice, but with an insatiable hunger for data. You feel it, don't you? That strange, prickling sensation on the back of your neck when you're alone in a room, lit only by the glow of your screen. It's not a ghost, it's something far more real. It's the silent hum of the modern world, the invisible web that connects everything you own, and in doing so, connects it all back to them. Look around your home. That smart speaker in the corner, patiently waiting for its wake word. The television that knows what you watched last night and what you might want to watch tomorrow. The phone in your hand, a black mirror reflecting not just your face, but your location, your conversations, your deepest desires typed into a search bar at 3 in the morning. Each device is a listening post, a silent sentinel in your own private space. We bought them for convenience, for connection, for a taste of the future. But we never read the full terms of service, did we? We scrolled, we clicked agree, and we invited them in. It starts innocuously. You search for a new pair of running shoes. Suddenly, every website you visit, every social media feed you scroll, is a digital storefront for those exact shoes. It feels helpful at first, personalized, but then it gets specific. You have a private conversation with a friend about a vacation spot you've always dreamed of visiting. You never typed it, never searched for it, and yet, there it is. An ad for a flight to that exact destination. A coincidence, you tell yourself it has to be, but the coincidences keep piling up. Your music app suggests a song you hummed to yourself in the car. Your news feed shows you an article about a niche topic you only mentioned aloud. The algorithm doesn't just predict what you want, it knows what you've done. It knows who you are. This isn't about one company or one device. It's an ecosystem, a vast, interconnected network of data points, and you are the nexus. Your digital self, a shadow constructed from a million tiny pieces of information, is more detailed and more accurate than you could ever imagine. It knows your sleep schedule from your fitness tracker. It knows your commute from your map application. It knows your social circle from the photos you're tagged in. It knows your political leanings from the articles you share and the ones you simply pause on for a few extra seconds. They call it data, a clean, sterile word for the intimate details of your life. Your hopes, your fears, your purchases, your late-night confessions whispered into a text message. It's all just data, harvested and processed by unseen systems and server farms that hum with a cold, electric life. These digital ghosts of our lives are bought and sold in marketplaces we'll never see. They are used to influence what we buy, how we vote, what we think. The very fabric of our reality is being subtly tailored, custom-fit by algorithms whose only goal is to keep us engaged, to keep us clicking, to keep us consuming. Think about the silence. The moments you believe you are truly by yourself. The router in the other room blinks its steady rhythm, a digital heartbeat. It's talking. It's constantly sending and receiving packets of information. Little whispers of your online activity flowing out into the world. Your smart devices, even in standby mode, are never truly off. They are listening for a command, connected to a network, reporting back. The very air in your home is filled with invisible signals, a constant stream of your life being broadcast to an audience you cannot see. We've traded privacy for convenience, one small piece at a time, until there's almost nothing left that is truly just ours, and it's not just in your home. Step outside. The city is awake, cameras on every corner, on buses, in stores. They aren't just for security anymore. Facial recognition technology is becoming more powerful, more pervasive. You walk through a public square, and your face is scanned, cross-referenced against 1,000 databases in the blink of an eye. Your movements are tracked, your patterns analyzed, where you go, who you meet, how long you stay. You are a single, trackable point moving through a grid. You are seen. We've become so accustomed to being watched that we've started performing for the cameras, both real and metaphorical. We curate our lives for social media, presenting a polished, perfect version of ourselves. We filter our photos, choose our words carefully, and build a digital persona that we want the world to see. We are both the subject of the surveillance and the willing participant. We've become our own watchmen, meticulously documenting our own lives and offering them up for public consumption, for algorithmic analysis. The line between public and private has been erased, not with a bang, but with a quiet click of a share button. The frightening part is not that it's happening. The frightening part is that we've accepted it as normal. This constant low-level hum of surveillance is now the background music of our lives. We make jokes about our phones listening to us. We shrug it off as the price of modern life. But what is the true cost? When every thought can be predicted, every behavior influenced, every secret unearthed, are you still truly free? Or are you just a user, a profile, a collection of data points to be optimized? The walls are not made of brick and mortar anymore. They are made of code and light. They are the screens we hold in our hands, the invisible signals that fill the air. The cage is comfortable, convenient, and we helped build it ourselves. We carry it in our pockets. Close your eyes. Feel that. The subtle vibration of your phone, a notification, a message, a reminder, or just the system checking in, making sure you're still there, still connected, still providing the data it needs to live. You can disconnect, of course. You can turn it all off. But for how long? The world is online now. Your work, your friends, your family, your finances. To be truly offline is to be an outcast, a ghost in the machine. So you'll turn it back on. You'll log back in, and the hum will start again. The silent, ever-present hum of being connected, of being tracked, of being known. The question is no longer if you are being watched. The question is, what will they do with what they see? You wanted to be connected. You are more than you ever knew. You were never alone.